Welcome to another edition of Pontoon TV. My name is Brady Kay. I'm the editor of Pontoon Deck Boat Magazine, and today we're on board the Harris Solstice 250. Now this is a Helm console. Man, this is beautiful. We love the sporty look, all centered around the Simrad touchscreen. Provides a lot of key information, and of course 2 gauges on each side. Down here we have our JL audio stereo control, then 2 rows of push buttons that are all well labeled. It's nice to have a lockable glove box on every boat. That's why we really like this one. Easy to use. But the best feature at the Helm is the access. This is a complete complex system that they have, but it's so well organized and so easy to get to just because how easily this cap opens up. Now we love the look and the feel of all the furniture on board, but especially at the Helm. Very comfortable Helm chair that slides, swivels, and reclines. Of course, there's an identical one for your first mate. And then check out this sporty wakeboard tower. It's beautiful. It gives the boat a real high-end look to it. And of course, with that Mercury 300 on the back, you know it's going to get a lot of good use. Back here in the stern is a large swim deck, complete with an easy-to-use boarding ladder, removable pylon, and just a nice deck area just to jump or swim or whatever you need to do back here. Of course, there's plenty of room to spread out here in the bow. Check out these chase lounges with the plenty of room to stretch. Nice recessed cup holders. This vinyl is amazing. Soft to the touch. It's a very comfortable boat. We really enjoyed testing this Harris. For others, check back to pdbmagazine.com. We'll see you out on the water.